With the Lok Sabha election drawing closer, the National People's Party in Meghalaya has bolstered its rank as leaders and workers from various political factions across the state continue to pledge allegiance to the party. In a significant turn of events, leaders from the United Democratic Party and Congress officially joined the NPP during a ceremony held on Monday at the Umshing Assembly constituency. Over 400 members from UDP, Congress and other political entities embraced the NPP, indicating a notable shift in political dynamics. Welcoming the new entrants, prominent NPP figures including Pinyaj Singh Saim, working president of East Khasi Hills District, along with NPP spokesperson Himalayan Shangpliang Samlin Malyang, NPP's MDC, extended a warm reception.
Besok seperti seperti NPP dan NPP, bagi yes semua film biru yang anak ini yang menyesuaikan parti NPP hati nurani bentar yang berpun pasal ini.
In yet another